You know, it feels like everyone is trying to break into the IT field these days. But the biggest question is always, where do you even start? It seems so intimidating.
It really can be. But there's a well-trodden path, and it usually starts with CompTIA A. They're basically the global leader in these vendor-neutral tech certifications, with over 2 million awarded worldwide. Their CompTIA A+ is the big one, designed specifically to help people land those entry-level IT jobs.
So it's like the foundational knowledge pack for hardware, networks, and computer systems?
Exactly. It's the stepping stone. It validates all those essential skills you need, from operating systems and mobile devices to security and even basic cloud computing for roles like an IT technician or help desk specialist.
Okay, so to get this Plus certification, you have to pass 2 separate exams, the 221,101 and 221,102. I see here the standard cost in the US is about $253 per exam.
Right, and that can add up. But what's interesting is how you can bring that cost down. For instance, if you enroll in something like the Google IT Support Professional Certificate Program, you get a 30% discount, bringing the price down to around $177.
Oh, that's a pretty significant saving. And you get a dual credential out of it.
I think that's a huge deal. You're not just saving money, you're building a stronger resume right from the start. You're learning from 2 different respected sources.
And it seems like the investment pays off. Having that Plus certification can open doors to jobs like IT technician or help desk specialist, with average US salaries starting around $48,000 and going up to $71,000.
That's right. And for some roles, like an associate network engineer, you could be looking at salaries closer to $90,000. It's clear that the Plus isn't just about learning theory. It's a direct pipeline to securing a well-compensated job in a field that's always hiring.
So let's talk about preparing for it. CompTIA A recommends 9 to 12 months of hands-on experience and about 120 hours of study. That sounds like a serious commitment.
It is. And that's because certifications aren't like a college course with a professor holding your hand. It's mostly on you to study and pass the exam. But the key is how you use those 120 hours.
Right. They suggest things like online courses, self-study, and practice exams. But with so many topics, from hardware to cloud, how do you even know where your weak spots are without getting completely overwhelmed?
That is the perfect question. And the answer is, those practice exams, they are your best friend. They act as a diagnostic tool. You don't just look at your final score. You have to dig into why you missed a question. Was it a specific detail about mobile device security? Or maybe you're fuzzy on virtualization?
I see. So you're not just studying harder, you're studying smarter.
Precisely. That targeted approach makes your study time incredibly efficient. It turns a massive amount of information into manageable chunks you can focus on and improve. It's really the difference between passing and failing for a lot of people.
That makes a lot of sense. So to wrap this up, it sounds like the CompTIA A+ is your foundational ticket. You pass 2 exams, which you can get a discount on to unlock some really solid entry-level jobs.
Absolutely. And success comes down to a smart preparation strategy, using those practice tests to find and fix your weaknesses. When you put it all together, it really solidifies its reputation as the best entry point for a rewarding IT career.